So there's a bird in the apartment, and it keeps trying to get out the window. I have no idea how it got in here. It scared the shit out of me when I was taking my clothes off in my room after work. I'm gonna try opening some windows. I can't imagine that it's the case, but I just turned on the AC for the first time. There it is. Fucking thing is scaring the shit out of me. Go that way. How do you get a bird out of your apartment? Hey! Over there! Open window! Sorry for the straight up and down camera. There he is. He's checking out the fridge. And he's just walking around. Maybe he just wants a beer. Whoa, where are you going? Don't go hiding behind the fridge. Oh, there you go. He's back. Come on, there's an open window over there. Come on. Go on. Hey, I opened one for you. Do that flying around thing that you were just doing. Where have you been all day? How did you get in here? Seriously. Go on. Hey! Keeps looking at me like he knows what I'm saying. It's a pretty small bird. Still scary as shit. Yeah, don't come too much closer to me. Yeah, you see that window. You see it. Go for it, buddy. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Yeah!